Title: Why Monitoring Matters. More than automation, an observability-first approach. Opening hook: if you can't see your system, every script is a guess. Let's talk about why monitoring beats automation when reliability is on the line. Intro: automation accelerates whatever you aim it at. Without reliable monitoring and observability, you're just speeding up blind spots. In this episode, we'll show why monitoring is the foundation builders and operators need before turning up the automation dial, and how to make observability the control surface for safe, fast change. Main sections. Section title: Monitoring versus Automation, Order Matters. Section summary: Automation executes, monitoring explains. Automation should respond to what monitoring reveals, not replace it. When monitoring is weak, automation amplifies errors and hides root causes. With strong observability, automation becomes precise, reversible, and auditable. Section title: See the system, telemetry and SLOs. Section summary: Collect the right signals, metrics for trends, logs for detail, traces for flow, and events for change context. Anchor them with SLIs and SLOs users actually feel: latency, error rate, availability, and saturation. A simple start: define one primary SLO per critical path, then instrument each hop so you can follow a request end to end. Chichi and Esaik. Section title: Alerts you trust, noise you don't. Section summary: Alert on symptoms, not component internals. User-facing error budgets and latency, not just CPU spikes. Tie every alert to an action and a runbook. Use multi-signal correlation and reasonable thresholds to cut alert fatigue. If an alert doesn't drive a decision in minutes, make it a dashboard, not a page. FIAN section title: Design automation around observability. Section summary: Instrument first, then automate the safe parts. Examples: auto-scaling guided by saturation SLOs, canary releases gated by real-time error budgets, rollbacks triggered by trace-based error spikes, and self-healing informed by dependency health. Every automated action should emit events and attach context so humans can understand what changed and why. YGS section title: Prove the value, reliability and flow. Section summary: Track impact with a few clear metrics. MTTD and MTTR for incidents, error budget burn for reliability, and DORA metrics for delivery flow. Monitoring first teams reduce MTTR because they can localize failure quickly. Their automation becomes safer because it's driven by observable truth, not assumptions. Section title: A 30, 60, 90-day monitoring first roadmap. Section summary: Day 0030, define one SLO per critical user journey, add basic metrics, structured logs, and request tracing. Create a single health dashboard that answers, "Are we okay?" Day 3160, convert noisy alerts to SLO-based alerts with runbooks, tag services with ownership, add deployment and config change events. Day 6190, pilot canaries gated by SLOs, automate safe rollbacks, instrument automation to emit rich events, review incidents to refine signals before scaling automation. Key insights: automation multiplies the clarity you already have, so get clarity first. Alert on user impact, dashboard the internals. SLOs turn telemetry into decisions and guardrails. Every automated action should be observable and reversible. Reducing MTTR often beats preventing every incident. A small trusted signal set outperforms a dashboard zoo. Conclusion: monitoring is not a nice-to-have before automation. It is the operating context that makes automation safe and effective. Start with signals tied to user experience. Put alerts where action is clear, and let observability shape your automated responses. Observe first, then automate with confidence. CTA: if this helped, share it with your team. Comment with the one SLO you'll define this week and subscribe for more practical, systems-first guidance. Thumbnail text candidates, monitoring automation, observe, then automate, see before you script, SLOs before bots. Speed needs sight. Metadata title. Why monitoring matters more than automation. Observability for builders and operators. Metadata description. Automation accelerates everything, including mistakes. This video shows why monitoring and observability should come first, and how they make automation safer, faster, and more effective. Nian what you'll learn. Yan. Monitoring versus automation and why order matters. Core telemetry, metrics, logs, traces, and change events. SLO-driven alerting you can trust in. Designing automation around observable signals, canaries, rollbacks, scaling on N. Proving impact with MTTR, error budgets, and DORA metrics. A 30, 60, 90-day roadmap to go monitoring first niche for builders and operators who want reliability without slowing down. Observe first, then automate. Tight ideas,